Hello everyone, welcome to Addy Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the trade review for Tuesday, that is 30th November, and a trade review of what happened today. What I have open here is the daily chart of Banknifty. What I had shown on my earlier video, that there is a strong possibility that we could take support at 35,300, and that's where exactly we took support and reversed. And this down move was pretty quick in the morning. Now I'm just going to shift to a 3-minute chart where I have the weekly and the monthly CPR enabled along with the daily CPR. See, when this move came, right, it was so fast on the downside and we hit 35,300 as mentioned on the daily time frame. I was just not able to take a trade. I knew when we broke the CPR and we started coming down, I knew we were going to hit this today itself, but the way it was following, even before I could add the strike price in my trading terminal, this move happened, right? After that, I was just waiting the entire day for kind of like a good rejection from the CPR or any of the pivot points. But a good breakdown came only later on. By then, I was like done, like it was almost 220. And even though this trend broke, but we didn't have a good fall, so there was no trade for me. If if I could catch at least even this move, right, I would have been done in the morning itself. But as I mentioned yesterday, I would not be looking to buy calls at this moment. I'll be looking to short, but that short opportunity never came again. It was just in the morning. But a lot of people have made money by buying at 35,300, which is good because it exactly hit that level and bounced the 200 EMA, which I had mentioned on the daily time frame. Now coming for the trade possibility for tomorrow, right, I'm just going to shift to this chart where I have all the support and resistance marked. Okay, there's just a plain in this chart I just have the support and resistance marked based on the price action. See, today we have taken resistance at this point, that is 36,300. I believe that will act as resistance even tomorrow. When I turn on the daily CPR, we have the R1 and the previous day high at the same level. So this will be a very crucial point in case we get a gap up or a gap down, or wherever we open, we come until here. There's a strong possibility we might reverse from this point, hit the CPR, or even break the CPR and go down. There is a possibility of that. A good bullish trade will be only if this zone is taken out, this R1 and previous day high, if it is taken out, right? Wait for a retest and a good confirmation candle, and the first easy target would be 36,800, and the next target based on the price action would be 37,200. But based on even the open interest, I'm just going to go to the open interest, Banknifty open interest chart. See, we have a strong resistance at 36,500, and a lot of call writers have been added at 36,000 also, and a very good support at 35,500. So because of this resistance, right, I do believe my personal view would be that I would look to short at this level, 36,400, with the CPR as the target. We could see some sell off at this point tomorrow. In case we get a gap down and start moving further, the best trade would be to see if this level is taken out. That is nothing. Also on the daily time frame, the 200 EMA support where we took today. So until this S1 is taken out, right, it's best either I'll look to short here, or I'll look, if I miss this or if I can't get this, I'll probably try to short after this point, probably with 50% as the target between S2 and S1. 50% as the first target and S2 as the second target. So this is my plan for Banknifty. See, from tomorrow I wouldn't be able to trade much because I can only log in for trading after 12 or 1. So most of the moves happen either in the morning or in the afternoon, right? If I can catch the afternoon move, well and good. Otherwise, I won't be trading much, but I'll be making the videos for sure. And just once again, just looking at this monthly and the weekly chart. Sorry, the monthly and the weekly CPR chart. See, this is where we have the CPR, weekly CPR. This is the one line, this is the pivot, the center point. It's covered with the monthly R1 also. It's overlapping, and this is the weekly CPR. So in case we break above this line, right, that is around 36,300, there is a possibility we might even come and touch this pivot and the monthly R1 that is around 36,728. There is a possibility that we can come and like go up, retest this and go till here, or if we get a gap up, probably we'll get a strong rejection from here, the weekly CPR that's around 36,300. And once we get a rejection from here, right, then we can add even the daily CPR and use the daily CPR as target. It's almost the same level as I mentioned, previous day high R1. Since there are a lot of factors at this point, right, so that's the reason I believe there's a strong reversal possible at this point with the CPR as the target. Now just looking into Nifty, see, this is just the pure based price action chart that I've opened with some support and resistance. See, this is one resistance, a support that we had drawn yesterday in our analysis, on the analysis video for today. This was based on the price action that we had got over here, see, and we pretty much reversed almost close to that and reversed from there. So today, if somebody had taken probably a good call on Nifty, a call that would be profitable, and exactly we took resistance at this price action over here. This was not marked in my video, this level, I had this level marked, but we started taking resistance at this level, so I marked a line today. So depending on whether we break out of the zone or not is important tomorrow. There's a strong possibility that we can, based on a gap up or a gap down, we can come take resistance here and come down with this as the first target. And the second target would be, see, when we have such a wide area, right, where we won't be like able to get a target based on the price action, that's when we can make use of CPR for targets. See, we have the CPR here. If the CPR breaks, we can have S1 and S2 as the targets on the downside. And in case we break this, this is also the R1 is exactly lining up here, right? In case we break this, yeah, probably we'll see that is 17,350 and even probably R1 17,370 is also a possibility. See, I won't go too much about the gap up or gap down until it happens. See, on Friday, I did expect that we're going to get a gap down for sure, but both in Nifty and Banknifty, we gapped up a little bit and then the huge sell-off came. So for now, we'll just look at the market as it happens on tomorrow morning. So this is my view for Nifty and Banknifty. Let's see how it goes. In brief, Banknifty, I would be looking to short here and buy only if we get a price action where we go up, come retest this and get a good bullish signal, then probably I'll take a call. Or if I miss this for some reason, and if I get a break of this S1 and the previous day low, right, probably I'll short until S2. So this is my plan. In case you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.